again, it's your man, Big John Restoration. I guess y'all know by now from the color scheme, this goes to that black and green Charger belonging to my man Kanye from Changn Lanez Car Club. These are the 24s from his Hemi Charger. The one that we did the inside, we did the paint, now we did the wheels. The green lip with the black center with the silver highlights. Just something different. Kanye been in Iraq the whole time that we had his vehicle. Technically, I never met him face to face, but he was referred to me by my man Mace with the Magnum, also in Changn Lanez, and he trusted me enough to set up a PayPal account with me while I did his vehicle. Never meeting me face to face, just talking to me through Facebook and email. Told you, Kanye, we about our work over here. You out there fighting for us, we over here keeping everything correct for you. Told you I was gonna put you out there, and I kept my word the whole time. Another Charger from Changn Lanez get ready to hit the streets. This one done by John's Restoration. 757-713-2277. We located on this side of the water in Virginia Beach. We got some more custom work coming y'all way. We just got a couple of more vehicles in that we got to do up for the summer. You know, those are going to be up on YouTube also. Kanye, I told you don't worry, bruh. I got you. See you when you get back.